Hey guys, it's Jeremy Lee from Ideal here with your coach's tip of the week. So today we're going to talk about goals. Because without goals, there's no way you're going to get any results. Because there's always going to be something that you're looking forward to that justifies a means. So with setting goals, you never want to set anything out of your range. You don't want to be setting something that you're going to lose 100 pounds in 2 weeks. You never want to be, I'm going to bench press 300 pounds when right now you're benching 65 pounds. That's something that you never want to do, because it only sets you up for failure. It only sets you up to be discouraged. You want to set something that not only do you know you can do within a reasonable amount of time, but also something that's relevant to you. You don't want to be doing something that you don't care about or has nothing to do with your end. You don't want to be saying you want to bench 300 pounds when you really want to lose weight.
2, 1, move.
So make sure that when you're setting goals, when you're thinking of what you're going to work for, think about you and what you really want. Don't think about what everyone around you tells you want. Don't think about what you think you should want. Think about what you actually want, and then set a specific and relevant goal towards that. Good. So that's your tip for the week, guys. Set good goals, be real, be ideal.